Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel Vinay French classes. How are you? Fine? Hoping you all are fine. Bonjour tout le monde et bienvenue sur ma chaîne YouTube Vinay French classes. Comment allez-vous? Bien? And espera que tu vas bien. I have already taught you how do you call this in French. Comment allez-vous? कैसे हैं आप? How are you? Comment allez-vous? How are you? How do say this in French? How do you reply this in French? Je vais bien. Merci. Merci means thank you. Je vais bien. Merci. Et vous? And you? Je vais bien aussi. Merci. I've already taught you in my previous lesson. अब किसी से पूछना है what is your name? I've already taught in the previous lesson introduction. What is your name? इंट्रोडक्शन में मैं आपको बता चुका हूँ. आप मेरे प्रीवियस लेसन देख सकते हैं डे 10 में. तो व्हाट इज योर नेम? हाउ डू यू से दिस इन फ्रेंच? comment vous appelez-vous? और सिंपली यू कैन से quel est votre nom? What is your name? How do you reply this in French? Je m'appelle this and this. अब mon nom est this and this. और व्हाट इज योर नेम को comment tu t'appelles भी बोलते हैं. comment tu t'appelles ट्यू लगा करके हाउ डू यू कॉल योर सेल्फ, ये भी इसका भी मतलब सेम है. हाउ डू यू कॉल योर सेल्फ? comment tu t'appelles. और यू कैन से comment vous appelez-vous. और यू कैन से quel est votre nom. ठीक है. ये सब व्हाट इज योर नेम सब का मतलब एक ही है. व्हाट इज योर नेम, ही इज आस्किंग योर नेम. सो यू हैव टू रिप्लाई je m'appelle this and this, mon nom est this and this. Okay, so you have to remember all these things. Today I am going to start a new topic, les noms de la semaine. Les noms de la semaine, the names of the week. There are 7 days in a week: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So how do you call this in French? Dimanche, lundi, mardi, mercredi, jeudi, vendredi and samedi. So let's start. But friends, before starting, I would like to request you all that if you have not yet subscribed my channel, please like and subscribe my channel and press the bell button below. Jabudre bu demande que si vous n'avez pas encore abonné à ma chaîne, merci d'aimer et d'abonner à ma chaîne et appuyez sur la close ci-dessous. Okay, so let's start. Sunday, we call Sunday in French dimanche. Monday, lundi. Tuesday, mardi. Wednesday, mercredi. Thursday, jeudi. Friday, vendredi. Saturday, samedi. Note down the pronunciation or listen the pronunciation very carefully. Okay? Dimanche, Sunday. Lundi, Monday. Mardi, Tuesday. Mercredi, Wednesday. Jeudi, Thursday. Vendredi, Friday. Samedi, Saturday. Dimanche, lundi, mardi, mercredi, jeudi, vendredi, samedi. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So these are the things, these are the basic of the French. You have to know this while you speak French. So if you don't know all these things, you will stuck in the middle. So these are the basic things definitely you have to know. And these things will help you in speaking French. I tell you one thing, today, tomorrow, day after tomorrow, how do you call this in French? Okay, Just as today I have already told you, but once again I note it down here. Today, aujourd'hui. Aujourd'hui, today, tomorrow, dama. Tomorrow, dama. बोलते हैं ना आदमा. See you tomorrow. आदमा. See you tomorrow. Today, tomorrow, yesterday, year. Year. H remains silent in French. Year. Yesterday, day before yesterday, avant-hier. 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 Day before yesterday. Day after tomorrow. Day after tomorrow, après-demain. Après-demain. Tomorrow, after. Day after tomorrow, après-demain. Today, aujourd'hui, tomorrow, demain, yesterday, hier, day before yesterday, avant-hier, day after tomorrow, après-demain. So, you remember all these things, go through this, memorize this, and these things will help you in your speaking French. So that's all for today. In my next topic, I'll tell you the names of the month: January, February, March, April, Janvier, February, March, April. So wait for that long. Bye bye. Au revoir.